Good morning, children. Welcome to your grammar class. Now let's do the adjectives further. Now the next topic of adjectives is adjectives of comparison. Now how to compare the adjectives you would be knowing very well when you read these pages. Now this is again a story which you have to read. So Tom and Lee practice a lot. They are the most talented violin players in Beijing. Beijing is a capital of China. So both of them are Tom and Lee are they practice they practice the violin. They are violin players and they practice violin, and they are the most talented. They are the most talented violin players in Beijing. December is the busiest month for them. They are invited to play at many concerts. They go to many concerts. They go to many functions, and then they perform their violin. Okay, they are the youngest musicians to perform at the most famous theaters in China. They are the youngest. Youngest means सबसे छोटे musicians हैं, music बजाने वाले हैं, to perform at the most famous theater in China. So all the words which are thick, which are too black in this story, they are all these adjectives. Okay, so how they are adjective? Tom and Lee practice a lot. They are the most talented violin players. Violin players are a noun, and most talented tell something about nouns, so they are adjectives. And busiest month for them, which is the busiest month? So December is the busiest month. Month is a noun and busiest is an adjective. Musician is a noun and youngest is an adjective. And theater is a noun and most famous is an adjective. So to compare two nouns, we add er or more to the adjectives. Example, young, younger, youngest. Beautiful ka more beautiful, most beautiful. For some adjectives, the last letter is doubled before adding the er. Example, hot, hotter, hottest. Hotter में क्या होगा? Double T हो जाएगा. Okay. So now, do you think it is important to practice to be good at something? Why? Which adjective describes Tom and Lee? Most talented. Which adjective describes December? Busiest. Which special place did Tom and Lee perform at? Which special place they perform? Most famous theater. Most famous. Okay. So from the story above, match the adjective with the noun it describes. Okay. Busiest month, youngest musician, most famous theater, and most talented violin players. Now underline the adjectives that compare nouns in the sentences below. Harsh is the strongest of all his brothers. Harsh is the strongest. Strongest will be the adjective. The giraffe is the tallest animal on earth. Tallest is the adjective. This is the most exciting news I have ever heard all day. So most exciting is adjective. I find maths the easiest subject of all. Easiest is adjective. Suman's dog is the most playful dog in the neighborhood. Suman's dog, most playful is the adjective. And Damon is the most careful driver among us. Most careful is the adjective. Now you will ask me, ma'am, why strongest is adjective? Because it is describing Harsh. Why tallest is adjective? Because it is describing giraffe, which is noun. Why most exciting is adjective? Because it is describing the news. And why easiest is adjective? Because it is describing the subject. And most playful is an adjective because it is describing the dog. And most careful is adjective because it is describing the driver. So all these are adjectives. Now let's do page 38. Now in this page, fill in the blank with the correct adjective of comparison. The adjective given in the brackets will help you. Now, this is the dash room in the house. Long. Longer. Long आएगा, longer आएगा कि longest आएगा. This is the. अगर the लगाया है तो हमें सबसे last degree लिखना है. सबसे लंबा कमरा है घर का. This is the longest room in the house. This is the longer तो नहीं आएगा. This is the long भी नहीं आएगा. Long, longer, longest. George Street is the dash street in the city. George Street is the आया. Busy, busier के busiest. Busiest is the busiest street in the city. Sue knows the dash way to the lake. Sue knows the quicker के quickest. Quickest way to the lake. Lake के पास पहुंचने का सबसे quick रास्ता Sue को पता है. Henry is the dash boy we know. Henry is the most handsome. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Henry is the most handsome boy we know. Most handsome will be the adjective. Madan has the dash pillow in the dormitory. Madan has the softest pillow. Softest pillow in the dormitory. These flowers have the dash smell. Pleasant का क्या होगा? More pleasant and most pleasant. These flowers have the most pleasant smell. Shipra is the dash person I've ever met. Shipra is the most thoughtful person I've ever met. Thoughtful, more thoughtful and most thoughtful. Our trip to Italy was the dash vacation of my life. Our trip to Italy was the most exciting vacation of my life. So what we have done is we have put the third degree of the adjectives. Now children, adjective has 3 degrees. First degree, second degree and third degree. So these all fill-ups were with the third degree. Okay. Now look at the picture below. Make a sentence for each using the est or most form of the comparison of the adjectives given. Now this watch is most expensive watch. He is the youngest brother. He is the tallest man He is the tallest man. He is the fastest runner boy in the team. This is the most colorful ball among all. So children, make these sentences and do this page of adjectives. And with this we finish adjectives. We have done nouns, we have done pronouns, we have done adjectives. We'll be shortly giving you another adjective, another worksheet which I took it in the live class. Your Priya ma'am will take with you, or I will take with you sometime. So, or I will give a worksheet to you in your video so that you can do another worksheet of parts of speech which I did in the live session. Okay children? So finish these 2 pages and goodbye.